Hi, this is Chris with Phillips Chevy in Frankfort, the #1 Chevy dealer in Illinois. I'm with Jim and Betty, who just got themselves a brand new 2015 Chevy Silverado 3500 diesel. Can you tell us about your experience?
It was great. You welcomed us at the door. You showed us everything. We went for a little drive, answered all our questions.
I appreciate it. Would you recommend us to family or friends?
Certainly would.
Well, thank you very much. You heard it for yourself. Give me a call here at Phillips Chevy, and I'll do the same for you. This is Chris, and you have a great day. Thank you.
There you go.